All right, Wayne, tell us your last name.
Gardner, Gardner.
I love it. And tell us about this fantastic Ford you have here.
Well, it's built up in Gadsden
Okay.
by a unique motor cars.
Yeah, I saw that sign on there. So do they do more than these cars? Do other types?
No, this is their main line. This is their main line.
This is what they do. Okay, nice.
They'll build it any way you want. They'll even build it with a Chevrolet in it.
And what did you say to them? Did you make a special order on how you wanted the color and everything, or what?
No, I had been thinking about getting a car, a kid car, or something like that for several years.
Yeah.
I was thinking about Factory 5 up in Connecticut.
Yeah.
And then somebody says, well, why don't you go up there to Gadsden? They build them up there in Gadsden. I went up there and I get a price sheet on all the options and stuff.
Okay. And how long from when you go up and say, I want the car, does it take?
It's about a year.
It's about a year.
Like about a year.
So they have a long production line. You just have to wait.
There's only about 4 people that work there.
Okay.
So they're hand built.
Yeah.
And they'll build whatever engine you want. Like I said,
what is in your car? What engine is
this? This is a 351 board and stroke to 408.
Okay.
And if you want a 427, they'll build you one with a 427. Anything you want.
And tell us about driving it and its ride and just down in the car.
Well, it don't ride like no Cadillac. I mean,
yeah.
But Cadillac don't run like that.
Yeah.
So it's got plenty of pep. It only weighs 2,400 pounds.
Wow, right. So how long have you had it now?
I've had it about a year.
Okay. You gonna keep it?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. I don't want to wait on another one.
Well, it's a beautiful car, and whenever I've seen these, I said, that's such a special car. It's so unique, man.
Oh, that's.
Are you a Shelby fan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, we went. My son and I went out to Las Vegas about 4 years ago. We went to the Shelby American factory or whatever factory, whatever, and they were building all kinds of them out there.
Really?
So.
Wow. It's a cool world, man.
Yeah.
The Shelby world.
But time you get this and your motor.
Yeah.
You'll be right at 100,000.
Okay.
So the motor, they got a guy over in Georgia that builds the engines for them. He builds engines for some of those round trackers over there.
Oh, okay.
Like that. It's potent.
Yeah.
Very potent.
Yeah. Rock and roll, man. I love the way they sound. Thank you so much, Wayne. Love the car.
All right.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Bob.